You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. Just yesterday, we talked about the fact that there were no obvious prerequisites for sales in the cryptocurrency market. But everything changed after the appearance of good news from the manager of the emergence exchange. He said that the payment to the creditors of the exchange will take place next week. We are talking about 127,000 creditors who will receive from 65 to 140,000 bitcoins. It would seem that this is good news, since after more than 10 years, investors will get their money back. But for the rest of the market, this is a bearish fundamental factor, because we are talking about the emergence of a large volume of cryptocurrencies that are highly likely to be sold. Despite the strong wave of sales, you should not panic. After all, the collapse in the quotations of Bitcoin, Ethereum and other coins was provoked by a short-term factor, namely the expectation of the appearance of a large number of Bitcoins. Most likely, a large number of received Bitcoins will be sold almost immediately. But this is a one-time shock effect on the market, which can also be positive. After all, investors now have the opportunity to buy Bitcoin, Ether, and a number of other coins at a good discount. And if investors manage to resume growth quickly enough, then it may end with another update of the highs. And no matter how optimistic everything previously said may sound, we should not forget that Bitcoin is on the verge. After all, a collapse below 60,000 can provoke a more powerful wave of sales, which in turn may be due to the technical fixation of long positions. The point is that a significant part of traders who bought Bitcoin near the level of $60,000 placed protective orders slightly below this level. The triggering of so-called stop orders for buy transactions is a sell transaction. Thus, the risk of a bearish scenario remains elevated. As you understand, the market is in a very vulnerable state right now. But, on the other hand, excess profits can become the price for the risk. This happens almost always, because in order to make a big profit on a bullish trend, you need to buy at the moment of decline. After all, in this case, you can buy at the lowest price and subsequently sell higher. And the price for this opportunity is the risk of further decline. If we are talking about the cryptocurrency market, then everything is quite ambiguous, because the drop can exceed 80%. This is an extremely volatile market, which is also entering a phase of uncertainty. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.